Hi everyone. Today we will see what are all new features available for Playwright as part of 1.53 release. So it is very simple to check the release versions and all. You just have to open Playwright, right? So if you go to playwright.dev and then go to docs and in the release notes, you can find the latest version and the information what and all is been released, right? So in the right hand side you can see all the versions available. Based on the version you can select a particular version and you can check the release info what and all was released, and it is very simple to identify. They have already provided the steps here. So they are saying that they have added a steps in the trace and for the UI mode and HTML report. So if you see here, in earlier we do not have these um, fill and press and expect to have a text. These steps were not there, but right now they have added it, and also similarly they have added same for the HTML report. Also they have introduced a new option to HTML report uh, known as title. We just have to pass our custom title based on the execution. So also they have added one more command to list out all the browsers here. So now let's see how these will work. So in my case, I have already updated the Playwright version in the package.json. You can directly change the version number here, or else you can try these commands. Yeah, this command you can try npm install playwright slash test at latest nd. So then click enter and it will update the dependency in dev dependencies, right? So in that way you can update the required dependencies. So if you go to the Playwright config.ts, what they are saying, they have added one more option called title. So this title pass, we may customize based on the test execution. So as of now, I have given it as a functional test, and when I execute writes, so it will look like this. I have already executed the scripts. If I open Playwright report, it will be available under the project in the root directory. It will normally Playwright will generate Playwright report in root directory itself. So if you the name is like Playwright report, if you open this and there will be a index file, just have to open that. So this is what they have added. So whatever the title you have given there, that will be displayed here. This is one change. And also if you they said that they have added steps for traces. If you would want to see the traces, as of now we can see that in UI mode. Just launch the UI mode. This is how we need to launch. If you don't know, let me show you. If you go to package.json, at the end of the command just add hyphen hyphen UI. That's it. It will launch UI mode, and then run any sample test to check the traces, right? So basically these are the traces. Okay, let it run. Yeah, it ran already. Okay, this do not have much information. Let me run one more test. Yeah, see uh, it got passed. So if you see, as we can see here, so these are the steps they have added, right? So it is to now it is very clear to understand what exactly happened in the particular step. So earlier it is not the case, right? So this is one thing they have added. And the other thing is to list out, uh, let me close this, to list out the browser details, right? So if you run this command npx playwright install hyphen hyphen list, as they recommended to do that to get to know the browser information. You can even copy from here and paste it in your command prompt. It's up to you. So, and if you click enter, so it will list all browser information. So forget about previous release. I don't know how they are in the backend capturing these details, but this is the latest version that I'm using right now. So here you can see Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, and everything will be available along with the versions, I believe. These are the versions, I believe, at the end. And this is a Playwright version. So these are the things they have introduced in as part of 1.53. Yeah, there is no much big updates this time. So hopefully we will expect from the next release. Since then, yeah, these are the things we have to look into. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.